Bible tells us something that all of us should know. It's all about the devil, and we've learned to hate him so.
It says he causes trouble if we let him in the room. He will never, ever leave us if our hearts are filled with gloom. So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Open up your heart and let the sun shine in. When you are unhappy, the devil wears a grin. But oh, he starts to running when the light comes pouring in. And you know what? That old devil's gonna have to be unhappy, 'cause I'll never wear a frown. And just maybe, if we keep on smiling, he'll get tired of hanging round.
So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Smilers never lose, and frowners never win. So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Open up your heart and let the sun shine in.
Do you know what happens when you forget to say your prayers? Well, that old devil just jumps with glee. But you know, he really feels awful when he sees you down there on your knees. So now listen to me. If you're full of trouble and it just seems like you never get to win, here's a little secret. Just open up your heart. Yeah, just open up your heart and let that sun shine in.
So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Smilers never lose, and frowners never win. So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin.
Why don't you open up your heart?
That's the answer. Open up your heart.
You better open up your heart and let the sun shine in. Let the sun shine in. Let the sun
Shine in.